Hey, I'm Ash, your holistic trainer. Everyday people just like you discover hidden health in their day the easy way. And here's the truth. You don't need a gym or an hour a day or a perfect routine in order to stay fit, to stay pain-free, and to feel your best in a body that you love and feel super confident in, whether you're an avid pickleball player or a weekend hiker. So if that's you, I would love if you hit that subscribe button below this video. That way you get an alert every single time I drop a new workout that you can do anytime, anywhere, wearing anything. And after 15 years as a holistic trainer, helping over 4,000 people transform their health and their body and their lives, from busy moms to CEOs to pilots, professional athletes, and ex-military, I learned something very important. You do not have to overhaul your life to change your body and your health. You just need to do the right things in the right order, the right way, consistently, and that's what this channel is all about. You're gonna get access to quick and effective videos in 8 minutes or less, built for your real life, that are gonna help you build strength and mobility in a body that you actually feel confident in. Stay consistent anytime, anywhere, no equipment, no excuses. Overcome mental roadblocks and finally trust yourself to follow through. You're also gonna melt pain, you're gonna improve performance, and you're gonna move through life with more freedom. So I'll leave you with this. My workouts and my mindset tips and the stress relief videos that you'll find here will take 8 minutes or less, and you can do them anytime, anywhere, wearing anything. Yes, even in jeans and a dress. Everything you need to look, feel, and live your best life lives right here. And if you haven't seen it yet, it's probably being filmed. So hit that subscribe button and let's get moving.